This technique is known as top stock control. The main goal is to control the deck of cards at the top of the deck during the shuffling process. This technique is combined with a series of other moves, such as the false cut. This is done to appear more natural and to align with established player protocols. So let's say we have 4 ace cards on top of the deck in order to keep the aces cards on top. We'll start by dividing the deck into 2 halves using the left thumb, as we learned in previous lessons, like this. Then we pull the bottom half to the right and the top half to the left. We place on a table about 5 or 10 cards from the half deck that contains aces cards like this. Then we'll continue shuffling the cards. We end up with 4 aces cards on top. We merge the cards together. Now, this time we're going to do the opposite of what we did initially to make it look like we're shuffling the cards naturally. This time, we'll hold the cards like this. In order for us to cover the front face of the cards so that they don't appear with us, this is the step we will take now. So, we hold the cards like this, cut the deck of cards in half, this time with the thumb of the right hand. We pull the top half to the right and the bottom half to the left. We put on the table about 5 or 10 cards from the half that contains the aces, like this. Then we continue spraying the cards together. We end up with 4 aces on top. We then combine the cards together. This way, we ensure that the aces remain on top of the deck. If we increase the speed, this technique will appear in this form.